Hey guys, what is up? Brian Fan17 here, and today we got the last fan of the night.
Last fan of the night!
It is a Casablanca Meridian ceiling fan in polished brass Inteli-Touch with a, what kind of light is that?
K4B.
Yep.
K4B spotlight
I don't know
kit.
much about light kits.
And the blades are not original. Hey, can you show the original blades just so the viewers know what they look like?
Right there.
Hey viewers.
Oh wait, no, I meant pick one. I meant
Oh,
pick
yeah,
one
sorry. Here.
You guys want to,
Can I don't.
There.
Yes, I can see.
That's one of them right there.
That's one of them right there.
Okay.
But he really wanted to test it with my Delta 1 blades. So these are the
These are
blades
Delta
for my
1.
Delta 1. And honestly, it looks sick with cane on it.
I think
So
it does.
Yeah.
it was a good choice. And it is, we got the Inteli-Touch
Yeah, put it
hooked
all
up
the
there.
way. Put it all the way.
There we go.
There we go. Alright, low.
Here's
Alright.
the. Hold on, I'm gonna get
Want a demo mode first?
top shot. And.
Oh, you do demo mode?
Well, we
What's the tag?
The tag is over there.
Oh,
unfortunately,
yeah, you could go check out their video for the tag.
Yeah.
I will link that.
It's a
Someone
Meridian.
tell me what the date is, but here's demo mode. Oh, hold on.
Here's the tag. Well, let me do it. Maybe it's gonna work with me.
You have to do it at like a certain pace.
Oh, there
There
we
we
go.
go.
demo mode, here we are. Why do we have the lights off for?
It's
It's
demo
gonna
mode.
turn on. Wait, I did it last time. Like. Speed 1. Speed 2. Speed 3. Speed 5. Explore. Speed 5.
Those-
Speed 6. Oh yeah, it's really fun with those king blades. Oh wow.
Blows a lot of air.
It's gonna go into blow that Wireless. I think it's gonna slow down the Wireless.
Oh.
Is it?
It is the way it's.
Oh, it is slowing
is.
down. Oh yeah. All right, that's
Every
demo
fan we
mode.
tested so far, reversible was able to turn that Wireless.
I'm gonna turn the whaley off.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna go through all the speeds now.
That's the move.
I'm gonna dim the light just a little bit. Because it's a little bright.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. I just want to see if it blows the whaley up. Actually, let me stop the whaley up. With my short ass.
I'm gonna put it on speed 1.
Gotcha, I can get some top shots.
The best top shot ever.
All right, speed 1.
I think it's already up to speed. Isn't it?
I'm gonna do a TikTok of this before I take it down. Especially with the lights off.
Yeah.
Speed 2.
Too.
Speed 2.
Now I have two of these. Now I'm thinking about doing a double install. I just need a polished brass K4B. And you guys have one of those on now.
One blade is bent down. I'm not sure if it's the flywheel or the.
It's the blade, it's not the flywheel.
You can see we're back in the dark.
Speed 3.
The speeds on my Saturn are kind of slow. Like, except high.
Here's where the air starts moving.
Yep.
Yeah, after that, do reverse on high speed because we're that wireless.
4.
Oh, it's already fast.
While I'm down here, I might as well get a shot.
I mean, they look faster when there's not as much light on them, but
It's almost as fast as my Victorian.
In a minute.
And my Victorian's got like solid oak blades.
Oh yeah,
It wobbles.
wobbles a bit.
Yeah,
I feel a lot of air.
Sways a little bit.
Reverse.
Now reverse. This
Okay.
which will blow the fan.
I'll have my camera
I'm
on
gonna
that
get a shot
wireless.
of it both.
yeah. Yep, it's
Yep.
already going.
Right off the bat. Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah.
Right off the bat.
I wonder how fast it'll go.
Let's see, yeah. Let's see if it'll actually go reverse.
Why does it look like it's on low?
It's almost getting to be like on low.
Yeah.
Cracked real low, yeah.
I know.
Touch shut. Okay, sorry.
So is that it?
Alright, turn it off.
All right. Well, that's it.
Wait, can you turn it off and then put the regular lights on so they can see that?
Oh yeah.
And then turn the light off.
There we go.
Yeah.
There you go.
See, I hope you guys enjoyed
Yep.
that.
Hope you guys enjoyed.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, and
as
remember-
always, remember to comment.
Yeah.
rate,
Remember to
and
comment,
subscribe.
rate, and subscribe.
Peace.